Hey, look at this. Weapons of 2 functions. So weapons use... Oh, I don't care. It's with a fencer.
Loading!
If you have a
loading, loading.
drive
Everyone
hammer in
drinky,
your
drinky,
right
drinky.
hand.
Loading, loading.
It's not so bad anymore.
Now that you've lost feeling in your face?
Yep.
You want more?
No. No, I don't. Alright.
Make another Leviathan.
Yeah. It's a laser. It's a Pink Floyd weapon.
Ah, it hurts me! Stop it!
Hey, sorry about that. This doesn't look good, by the way. Look up.
This is strategic command headquarters.
Oh, I think I actually had... Oh, no, okay.
Long distance battles are dangerous.
Where am I looking up? Whoa! Are those... I'm getting to the air.
Yeah, I mean, that's like our best bet right now. I'm sure if I was a fencer, I'd be dead already.
I really think that Japan actually needs to make like a low budget movie for this.
Who does?
Just like some sort of Japanese studio, movie studio. Apparently I'm swimming and it's a horrible idea.
That's in movie studio.
I don't know if this is doing anything. That's the thing. I don't know if this is doing shit for shit.
Tit for tat.
Like, I see no visible
damage that it's taking.
Like burn on the outside.
Yeah. He wasn't even... Yeah, so Thunderbow 10. Awesome. What?
Laser weapons, not so much.
Apparently, maybe laser weapons are really good against things that aren't made of metal. Or Iron Man clones.
Iron Man clones.
Or Jaeger clones.
That
That was actually on TV earlier today.
Really? It's already on TV already?
Yeah.
TV?
Or like HBO.
That's a good question, I don't know. I just know it was on. Well, we have HBO, so...
What is it? The guns he has.
Oh my god! He is way... Oh!
Why are you still standing there with his barrel glowing?
It was pretty. But now he's dead.
It's so beautiful.
Is what?
The moth now?
Yup.
Like in Bug's Life. Larry! Don't go towards the light! I can't help it. It's so beautiful.
How you doing there?
I'm okay.
The odd grimness of Disney Pixar movies.
Yeah, that laser...
Yeah, lasers. I have a laser as well, and it doesn't do nothing. It doesn't do nothing. Double negatives make things right.
I was gonna say, so is it super effective then?
No, this is Pokemon.
Wing diver, use laser.
It is super ineffective. Oh shit, I did not do what I wanted to do.
Yeah, you overshot your landing.
Yeah, I'm flying drunk.
Ow, point blank shot to my face.
So,
unit fighting the Hectors lost. The Vegalta M2s are all destroyed.
Why did who named these things Hectors?
Hectors forever.
Yeah, but who named them that?
The British, they always have these weird, you know, person names for their enemy. Like the Jerry back in World War II.
this laser crossbow was awesome, by the way.
You know what else is awesome? Easter Cadbury eggs.
Sometimes.
Filled with chocolate ones. The chocolate ones.
Chocolate?
Yeah. Exterminate! What are they, Daleks now? Oh god, I feel bad for myself. I just made a Doctor Who reference.
Yeah, you don't watch that shit.
No, I don't even like it.
You pronounced it wrong, too.
Dalek?
Dalek.
Dicklick?
Dicklicks.
Dick-licking robots?
Why is it like a Doctor Who porn parody?
I'm sure it's been done.
Dawn of the Dicklicks?
It's like, would that be like a Doctor Who, like, zombie parody then?
I guess it probably exists.
Doctor Who, George A.
Oh my
Romero,
God.
porno.
No, that don't exist. That's Game of Bones.
What?
Yeah.
Well,
Game of Thrones
duh.
porn parody.
There's a porn parody for everything. I'm sure there's a porn parody for Teletubbies.
I thought you were gonna say EDF for a second.
I'm sure there's that too. Some creepy fan probably draws it.
Oh! That's what I was gonna say earlier. Michael Bay should do an EDF movie.
See, that might make it better. Slightly.
It doesn't have the word Hasbro plastered all over it, though.
Did he do, Battleship?
No, but whoever did certainly wanted to make it feel like he did.
I was gonna say, I thought Michael Bay did do Battleship.
Just all Hasbro movies.
That's all he does.
Michael Bay, Monopoly.
This Hasbro owned. Michael Bay presents Boggle.
Oh my god.
It's exploding letter cubes.
It's just like two guys in a room. It's like playing like they're literally playing Boggle with like a terrorist.
He's doing like war games.
Playing Boggle with like a homicidal computer. How do you even play Boggle, by the way?
I don't know. I've never played it. But just imagining that I know you click something, right? There's like a thing in the middle that you
That's
press.
trouble.
Or sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know my.
No, I mean
The Boggle is a 5x5
New walking machine.
grid where you shake up the letters, put them down, and you go by the letters to make words out of it. And any word that matches anybody else's, it's null and void for both of your things. So you only score off words.
You know,
Exactly.
Rodney, you don't sound drunk
Old
enough.
lady game.
You don't sound drunk enough,
I've got
Rodney.
3 Leviathans. I'm surprised I'm not.
Leviathan. I like how you keep using that word, assuming that the audience knows
All right.
what that is.
For the audience, Leviathan is a drink of. It's a shot of half lucid absinthe and half Kraken black spice rum.
Yeah, how are
It kind of tastes like hot.
Yeah, it tastes like liquid fire, and so far I'm the only person that I've ever come in contact with that actually likes it.
How are you still alive, by the way?
Liver of an Irishman.
That was really easy.
You know what else is easy?
Drink.
Old women?
You.
Hey, no.
You literally died as the level ended.
Oh, we got a
large.
A large.
large V.
We got a large vagina.
I don't know if it's a good thing.
Your vagina is abnormally large.
You got a weapon that throws hot dogs on hallways.
you can speak for yourself.
Give
I
me
guess.
more happy liquids. I don't care.
Oh, it's an improved whatever you
thinking?
had.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Double-barreled laser gun.
Alright,
After you're out,
cool.
I'd get away from me.
Yeah, he still got something.
he's got the sugar in the.
I'm actually
I'm actually, yeah. You are literally pouring. Okay. Apparently, I'm having Chris's Leviathan.
Hey, it got Jeff drunk after one shot.
you probably had.
Uniform words.
You probably had the same amount to eat.
Wait, what did you just
That was
look
a lot of
at?
words. What did it say?
View
Battle
battle.
history.
View our battle.
Oh, it's the stats. Numbers for all those guys that like to play video games with numbers in them.
So all I did, was change the NAS.
2 weapons.
2 weapons. I can't see it.
It's just a different color.
It's a little wider.
Yes.
It's another S+.
Put on my large V. Oh, that's color. I didn't mean to do that.
Well, wing divers are female, right?
Bunch of
Anyway.
wide set vagina.
Select a mission.
Wow.
Seriously, we need to put a rating on this one.
Now walking machine variants.
Yeah, I do like this thing. He's like, oh,
Wait,
Let's do it!
episode 1.
Loading screen, drinking time.
I wanted to switch to a rocket launcher thing.
Nope, you have to suffer.
Rocket launcher.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm playing Metal Slug drunk.
wow, Dad.
Want some sugar in that?
I don't think I've ever seen you make that face before.
This is really uncomfortable.
You made that face when you
It's like, why don't you like hold a lighter to your tongue?
I lost my lighter. Shut up.
We got one in the kitchen.
You
Ah!
Face is turning red.
Ah!
How you doing there?
It's unpleasant. Now I know why you're saying it's so hot earlier.
Thanks. It was very true.
This is footage of the new walking machine. It is deploying a shield screen.
Shield
It's
screen.
like the walls of a dome. No weapons have ever penetrated this dome.
So.
But let me guess, we can walk through it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, is this gonna be like Star Wars-esque with like the Gungans, like our shields deflect anything? Oh wait, shit, robots walk through it. They are useless.
Well, you know, Gungans.
They're
You know,
useless.
originally Jar Jar Binks was supposed to be a mercenary to betray
Here's
Qui-Gon
air
and
raid
Obi-Wan.
footage.
That would have been a much more
Yeah, that
interesting
would've
character.
Wait,
But
what's it
you know,
doing?
Lucas decided to make him comic relief instead.
Oh, they're just showing.
R2-D2 is Star Wars' comic relief.
I like
You
how
don't
they.
need another Why did they just blow up?
Yeah,
It's not. They're
they
still
did.
shielded.
They're
It's
trying
showing
to
you
bomb
that
it.
they're impenetrable.
Oh,
But they
anyway,
just told us before that they're impenetrable.
There's one visual reference.
trying
for
to
people.
talk about Star Wars here. R2-D2 is Star Wars' comic relief. You
I thought that was
don't need.
C-3PO.
But look,
Or the
buildings
duo.
around
Well, the
our
duo,
own
yeah.
dome.
Something
Stello,
important.
Star Wars.
Yes, everyone's
This
favorite
tells us that the
ambiguously
shield
gay
screen
duo.
only applies to
Um,
beings with high momentum.
You don't need to add another
So-
comic relief character.
Items with low mass at low speeds can pass through it.
And where did you read that Jar
In
Jar
other
Binks is
words,
supposed to be a mercenary that betrayed him?
Can pass through
Internet.
the
Don't know if
shield
it's
screen.
verified as true, but it would have been much better.
It would have been much better.
I think the nice lady just said that we can pass through the shield.
But I thought we already established. Loading screen! Time for more
No,
hurt.
they're gonna introduce an enemy that has a shield that you can't destroy or walk through.
I mean, you're kind of off worse than both of us.
Seriously, we put some sugar in that if you want.
It's like burning hot jelly beans.
Like just pour hot sauce all over jelly beans.
Because the absinthe kind of tastes like black jelly beans, and the Kraken kind of tastes like a cinnamon jelly bean.
You mean like?
And then they're really hot. Like actual temperature hot.
Wow!
And it's giving me the hiccups.
Like all the cartoon characters that get drunk when we were little, like Tom and Jerry, or like
I
Looney Tunes.
now legitimately have the hiccups.
See Pink Elephant too. Like, let's go for cartoon cliches. from
No,
the
but there
60s.
is a giant cockroach in the window.
I think that's an ant, but okay.
I think that's just the tree bridge shadow.
Or the two-headed bear over there.
Yeah, I'd for like it. Yeah.
That's so creepy.
Yeah. Well.
Approaching a new enemy.
What the
We can
fuck?
See the shield
Oh.
screen.
Fencers everywhere.
We will call the new walker the shield bearer. Break through the shield screen and destroy the shield bearers.
Wow. Really?
Whoa, wait, what?
What?
Yeah, that.
Whoa.
What is that?
What the hell?
It's a large vagina gun.
Stupid.
Well, it seems like you just turn it on and it's like spinning circles.
Shield screen. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. That was oddly easy.
That was expected.
How do I?
I really don't know. All right, shooting the robot balls. No,
We've
so-
got balls.
they have a protruding metal spear thing from the bottom.
Ugh.
Wow.
I have the hiccups now. Yeah.
There is a school up ahead. The shield
The hiccups are like violent hiccups. Your whole head is lurching when you do it.
air raid is
This is the worst we have.
Oh shit, this one's guarded.
This one's got robot balls.
This strategy is
Oh, yeah.
effective.
Wait, what's this
Can pass through
thing?
Seriously, if you shoot the giant flash.
Whoa! Dislike! Dislike!
Oh!
Oh, fuck off!
the shield screen will break, but the Air Force is refusing to give up.
Oh! Oh no!
2/3 of your health right there.
Back when requested.
I think I got stepped on. Or maybe it's these guys shooting me.
What? Okay. Yeah, let's get rid of these
I
guys.
remember Hector's being harder to deal with.
These are
Different
pretty,
game.
these are pretty annoying to deal with.
Oh my
What
god.
the fuck is going on? What?
Like last one,
What just happened?
Like the final level.
Air raid complete. Shield
This is insane.
The air raid is over. Ground units, continue attack.
Why are they air
Wait.
The only ones who can take down the shield bearers.
There's giant.
There's one left. Over that's by you. Just kill it.
It's the fencers' turn. Storm team, back up the fencers. There's another air raid. Get away from the enemy.
Ugh.
Wait.
There's another air raid. Get away from the enemy.
Yeah, so find health and revive me.
Are you planning to continue the pointless air raids?
Should I order them to withdraw?
Yes.
Force has honor too. Let them
I feel like
try.
you have the cheapest voice actor they can find.
They probably just found voice actors that they could pay in packing peanuts.
If I give you nothing, will you do everything?
Steve Bloom last time.
I'm dead.
He's actually a known voice actor, and they had him in it. This was just like, nope, it was too expensive.
Alright, well. Oh my god.
So basically, watch out for those big red lines. on
And
the
let's. Hey, look, loading screen.
minimap. Oh, hey, no more light screen.
Wait, why'd you retry? Why didn't you go back? Because this stupid laser thing is dumb.
Just use your other weapon.
The shield bearer.
I hate you.
Through the shield
Yeah, well,
Oh, I hate these hookups.
bearers.
I would too. Oh wait, I don't have them.
Ugh,
The shield screen is right in front of me.
Are you gonna survive tonight?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Well, nice knowing you.
Ugh. It's gonna be called Bagpipe Ninja nothing.
What?
It's gonna be called Bagpipe Ninja nothing. Ah, oh god, it hurts!
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Pretty much like that, yeah.
Let's just go to the same one at the same time.
Wait, hang on. I'm drawing out these guys first.
Whoa! His shield just got bigger. Whoa.
Oh shit!
Okay, this strategy is effective. Humans can pass through the shield screen.
You know.
There is a school up ahead. The shield bearers are there. Move away. The air raid is going to begin.
Oh, okay, run away, run away, run away.
But it doesn't tell us where the air raid is gonna happen.
When it's about to happen on your map, it'll be just like this big red line.
The shield screen won't break, but the Air Force is refusing to give up. Air Force squadrons, only act when requested.
Ugh.
Okay, yeah, see
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, it's funny, the fact that you're just constantly hiccuping and the fact that each one sounds like a weird-ass nerf gun.
What nerf?
The ones that shout like little foam balls, not the ones that shout dark, the ones that shoot balls.
Stuck!
Ugh.
Raid complete. Shield bearers are going strong.
This is like literally impossible to play right now.
Everything's shaking.
The air raid is over. Ground units continue attack.
The air raid is over, but everything
Oh shit!
is shaking.
Why?
Back up the fencers.
I don't want to back up the fencers. Damn.
I still don't understand how your ponytails have to fly.
They are our directionals.
Mankind has no chance.
Dan, you okay there?
This fight
No, I have friggin' hiccups.
taken by the Ravagers. Win.
Shield's down, by the way. Okay, so they're down. Now we can take a drink.
Ugh.
I can. You're dying still.
Are you crazy? You can't just walk in.
Are you crazy?
Are you? Oh wait, there's a health thing over here. Come over here. Because you definitely need that.
Yeah, he's good.
Now he's good.
Now I'm just kind of okay.
Now you're somewhat mediocre. Hi, I'm shooting your shield. Come after me.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, I don't know how this is supposed to do anything.
I have a feeling it's like if there was like a bunch of bugs around, it'd be really effective.
Like,
Smaller enemies.
Like those spiders from before.
do like a Iron Man thing.
Or he just spins around.
Yeah.
Why don't you do that to start with?
Come on, come on.
You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Get away from the enemy.
Oh, there's their air raid coming.
I'm getting chewed up.
Air Force, are you planning to continue the pointless air raids?
Do not die. Where are you?
The Air Force
I'm
has
fighting at Hector.
and try.
Commencing air
You're welcome.
I did all the work. You just.
Save
Final
you.
shot.
Alright, there's their air raid coming in. Oh, that was easy. Jesus Christ.
Can you like actually imagine like doing this entire battle with actual hiccups? Not like being a video game player.
Ooh, 2 weapons crates.
Oh, you bastard! You picked up that health.
Yeah, I did.
I hate you.
I have no remorse.
I hope you spiral to your doom.
Probably won't. Oh, he's in water.
Yeah, he's like planted up. He's doing something special.
Jaja, uses a boomer.
Use a boomer. He's a no boomer.
God, really?
Why? Why do you think that's a good idea?
Was the mothership used it and did so as a wide-ranged wall. That's
I'm actually like hiccuping so much that everything hurts.
Fencers, you did
Diaphragm spasms are hurting.
They really did it. They are here.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like Dan's gonna die this episode.
Oh god.
break. Mankind can win.
Liquid fire sucks.
Generally.
We're invincible.
Wow, while you were drinking that too.
Echo just goes through the jar.
That was a horrible idea. I was like, why are you doing that?
Oh. This is the worst thing ever.
Right? That's what I told you before.
You're right. It is really hot.
Ah, glorious.
I want ice cream.
We don't have any more.
I don't think there's any ice cream places open at this time either.
What time is it?
We could just go to
like 11
McDonald's.
something.
Get a
No,
thing.
it's only 10:40.
Drivers can equip 2
Alright, Rodney. Go get some ice cream. Ugh.
I'll just go to Jewel and go get like the tub with like the 5-gallon.
And just like we'll get 3 spoons.
It's not a terrible idea.
Sure.
I don't think I've actually heard you have hiccups before.
Change your weapons or forever hold your peace.
I can't hold my peace. I have the hiccups.
loadout.
I can't hold my peas.
Eat your damn peas.
I ate your damn peas.
Oh. God.
Ugh. Everything is not awesome.
Rodney's literally just trying to kill us.
We just invite him over literally just to give us bad alcohol ideas.
You mean like your shitty
You're the
bourbon
guys
you
that had the
got
idea
last
for
time?
that.
Choose a
Hey,
class. Rangers.
hey,
The fact
hey.
that I had it is completely
Choose loadout.
null and void.
Rangers
Hey.
can equip 2 weapons.
Hey.
I was given that bourbon. They were like, here, I don't like this, so drink it.
So...
So I was like, okay. A round gun.
Assault rifle based. Or not.
Choose loadout.
Yeah, hang on.
Rangers can equip 2 weapons.
Rangers can quit you.
Whoa!
It's Friday.
Wait,
Imagine your work.
there's a reload time. Lock on.
That, yeah, I was gonna say, does that lock on by itself? Or do you need a, what's his face to lock on for you?
Yeah, I need an air raider. So, screw that.
Ugh.
You go Stingray. Yeah.
It's so weird they have like
Gonna go,
team weapons.
Steve
Does it do like a crap ton of damage?
Irwin hunting?
I have no idea.
Steve Irwin hunting?
Ravager transport, drop some of your mountains, confirm defense screen, dispatch your defense or store. Sure.
Select a difficulty.
Oh god.